Before I start to teach you about Yola, there are a few words I need to talk to you about. Widgets, the things that are on your website. So all the text, the pictures, the buttons, everything is a widget. So we'll be using a lot of those when we build our website. Next is metadata, the things that help people know about your website. So all stuff like the title, the description, and that sort of stuff. So the next thing is favicon, the icon for your website. So whenever you look our website up, and on the top in the tabs it might have an icon. So that's what that is. Now I'm going to show you how to build your website. Okay, so obviously you'd go to Yola. Yeah, Yola. And if you want me to spell it, Y-O-L-A. Okay? Yeah. Then you click on the top web link, not the ad, okay? Ads just ridiculous. Who clicks on ads? If you haven't got an account, which you probably haven't, you click this red button that says sign up. Now you can get an account, and they're not asking you for too much. They're just asking you for your name and your email. They send you some annoying emails, so make sure you unsubscribe to them if you know how to. I might tell you how to. And then your password. So I recommend so just clearly get your password. So don't just write it quickly. You can't write it a second time. You've got to quickly go like U F. Make sure you click on it. Don't make any mistakes, otherwise you're stuffed for good. Hello again. I'm just gonna teach you how to add a new site. I'm gonna go through the whole process. So you click add new site up there. This is gonna add a new website, and then you just have to wait. Okay, now it has to load the site builder so you can start. So now you're gonna call it something. Now let's do it. I don't know, my web page. You're creating a website, okay? You can even put password protected, so it's like a little place for your friends. Now you're gonna, whatever you want it to be. So if it's an artist photography website, building instruction, all those, yeah. Or you can just start from scratch. Yeah, well, I do other. So now it's creating your site. It's coming. It's coming. Wow. So this is basically what your site turned out as. My webpage gets the job done. Now let's go through the whole process. This is your website, what it looks now. You also have this other page called Contact Us. This is like if you're starting a business, but we can delete all this, you know. We don't need this. We want to start from scratch. Delete that. We can delete this. Okay, it's gone. Yes. So what if you wanted a website for, let's call it me and my mates. So this is going to be a website for me and my mates. Me and my mates. So basically this is going to be a place for your friends to hang out. And save. Now you have successfully changed it. Let's delete all this. Who wants to know about you? When it's just for your friends. So I'm going to go through the basics. Let's get rid of all this text. There's going to be a little ad down the bottom. It's not too big. So, me and my mates. That's all it says. So how would you add something to your website? So obviously by clicking the X button, that's delete. So now, why don't you maybe you want, so let's start off with some text. You drag text in. You can put it wherever you want, and then the blue box will obviously where it goes. Now you click here to edit the text. Now you can type whatever you want. So this is going to be a little, okay, type whatever you want there. Now, maybe you want a YouTube video for you and your mate to watch. Now sometimes it's a little bit hard to get the blue box to come up. So now what you do is you go looking for, have you ever heard the duck song? Let's put duck song in. Maybe you and your mates like the duck song. The duck song. That's how you find them. Then you click on that. And then you can watch it. Who wants to watch?
Tell me the duck story.
Yeah. And then you click save. And then the duck song is there. What if you want to see how your website is going? But you can't do it like this. This is editing it. So you can click preview. Preview means like looking at your website. This is how it's going to look like. You don't want the Twitter things there, but okay. So me and my mates have a home and contacts page, have some text and the duck song. So now you can play the duck song, and you can see it's completely working. Okay, now you get it. So remember, press that let's go, little overview. So, you go here for all your things. You click preview to look at your website. It's that easy, isn't it? So, you don't have to mess around with that. So what if you want to change the look of your website? You have these tabs up here, you know? You can click style, then you have a whole bunch of, if you click free, you can get a whole bunch of free ones. This was actually the style of our Too Technical website. Okay, now you have a website for me and your mates, for your mates basically. As you can see, this looks a lot like our website. You have the duck song. But the best thing you want on your website is games. Who loves games? Everyone loves games. So, how would you get a game onto this? Well, what you do, I'm just going to do it in a different web browser. You can choose any web browser. Then you type up something like HTML coded games. Then, like, let's go to this. This will be in the description. Okay, this website. So how would you use it? So let's find a game. So looks like there's a lot of games that you can choose from. Let's choose air traffic control. So air traffic control. Now let's wait. Okay, anyway, well, you can even download the website. So you can play it here, and then it looks like you click the embed button. You click here to get the code. Then you copy this. So you'd copy it. Obviously you'd right click and click copy, and go close, and then go back to your web browser. So how would you put it in? Well, you go back to widgets. The widgets is what everything is. You see that? That was a code. And to put in a code, you drag this thing in. So now that you're in the code editor, I know a little bit of HTML. Whoa, okay. Now you'd paste that. Paste it. Whoa, where's my paste? Well, anyway, you click paste. So there it is, okay? This is the code for the game. Then click save. And then your game will start to pop up. Now let's play the game, shall we? I'm just going to... Aha, here it is. So we've got the preview working again. As you can see, it's the exact same website. And if you choose this theme, it doesn't seem you have like that. You mean the ad. So choose this one. Now you click continue. Let's play it. Training, maybe. Go next, 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 next. I'm not reading all this. Oh, hang on. No, start. Okay. It is completely working. Whoa. So the planes will land. That's basically it. See, it's working. Okay? Let's get rid of that. You can't play games in the... You can play games in the editor. Wow. Okay, so you can add heaps of games to your website. Okay. Obviously, you can play games in the editor, which is kind of funny. So now I have a YouTube video. Wow.
Tell me the ducks.
You weren't allowed to do things in the editor. It looks like you can now. So you have basically learnt the basics of this. You can also add files. And okay. What about, but if you drag this in, you get a lot more stuff. Okay, so what you do is you click get Google Apps. Now you have all these apps here. You can have like Fruit Ninja. You can have like a Google search. So you could like make this your iGoogle. So basically, you could search from your website and make this your homepage. Google search. You can have the calendar, your date, the maps. I'm pretty sure you'd be able to, yeah, you can get your Gmail. So to show you that this works, let's get the time and date. Let's add it to our web page. You can title it, you can do all sorts of stuff. Now you can click, now you have to
Get the code. Now, you have to copy this again. Wow, that's a long code. Okay. This is a huge code. Okay, I think it's done. Yeah.
it was in a new tab. So once you go back to Yola, you paste it and save. Now you have your time and date, but with ads on it, which is a pain. Okay, let's go back to the good view like this. Okay. Now, so you're obviously going to get ads, but you have the date and the time. That is awesome. You can get Google search and all sorts of stuff. So basically, this is the basics on making your website. What if you want to put it on the internet? Actually, first, you might want to password protect it for only your mates. So I'll show you how to do that. So if you make this your home page, you can click this password protection. First you have to save it. Now you password protect it. Protect all your pages. Okay, now you put whatever you want in here. So you can have the login and the password and then click save, but I'm not going to do that. So now you can do lots of other stuff in here if you know what this means. So next, once you're done, so now that you're probably done, you click publish. So now it will put your site on the internet. Now you just have to give the link to your friend and they can do it. So what I do is I do this one. So now you're just gonna have to get a link. Let's find a link. TT, my web page. Oh, hang on. And do not have spaces in it. Okay? Now that you've got one, you click next. Now it's publishing my site, or for the internet. So now it is on the internet. Now you can. So now you click here for the website. This is the link here. You can watch the duck song.
Tell me the duck story. Bum, 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 ba-dum, ba-dum.
You get it. You can play Air Traffic Chief. Okay, and you can look at the time and the date. You can switch pages. We'd put nothing on that. So basically, that's it. I'm going to show you a little bit more things. If you are enjoying this, that's good. So let's just do one more thing. What if you want to add a page? So you go into page, new page. You can also password protect the page from here. You call it something. You password protect it. Actually, I'm not going to password protect this one, but you can password protect it. You can make it a blank page or a blog. So the page's name is going to be new page, and then on the top, this is what it's going to say on the top. It's going to say on the top. Okay, now click OK. This is your new page. Now if you want to change you can also change the background for this. Now, to make it exactly like the Too Technical website, I think we did this. Oh, I don't know, was it blue? Was it blue? Oh, I didn't save. So, blue. Now you go all the way up here and click OK. Now it's blue, like the Too Technical website. Now you can add some stuff. So you click widgets to add stuff. You can even add. What else can you add? This is all the things you can add. You can add text, pictures, picture gallery, column divider. That's if you want to divide the page into two. HTML code, which is how you implement your games. You can have a line, a panel, which is just basically one. So this is just basically a box that you can put stuff in. So now I can put so you can put Google. You have Google Maps, YouTube video, form. Let's tell you what a form is. I'm going to show you how to do this. So you click blank form. So this is the title for your form. How are you doing? Add new field. And then you can have some check boxes. Good. Bad. Or yeah, and you can exit that one. And then basically you can choose whatever else you want. Then you can name this button. It can be called cabbage. So now the button is called cabbage. How are you doing? And then you can go, good, I'm feeling good. Oh, well, you gotta do it. You gotta preview the website first. So now I'm gonna preview the website. So now, how this works, you click good, then cabbage. So you click the cabbage website, and then what happens, it gets sent to your emails. So whatever gets sent, it gets sent to your emails, like another email thingy. That's how you do that. So that's basically it. You have learned the basics of Yola. If you'd like to learn more, hopefully there will be like a how do I do this for Yola soon. Hope you enjoyed. Now you have a page for your friends to look at. So basically you can play game. You can, what game you like, you can put it on your website, and then you can make your other friend play it. You can do whatever you want, you know. So that's it. Goodbye.